So I don't expect there to be anything too interesting in here, but I wanted to see what's inside this Gigamon brand G-TAP, and it's model TAP-253, dual optical tap, 50-50 SM 1310 by 1550 millimeters, and apparently their internal part number is 600017. And make sure I got my zeros right there for a second. But my assumption is these are just a bunch of fiber optic couplers, and then there'll be some cables looped around in here. But I've never seen inside of one, so this is the only way to find out. And as far as I can tell, it's worthless, so yeah. I don't really know what this is used for even, to be honest. Like, it's not like it's a patch panel. I mean, you could use it as one, but I don't know why you'd want all the cables in the front. It just seems like it'd be messy. Oh, screw in the back. Yep, mostly right. What in the world? It's so weird. What is going on here? It's weird. So it's like it's a splitter. I wonder if maybe it like splits out the wavelengths or something. I don't understand these numbers. What in the world? It's so weird. So you got two blacks and two reds and two greens, but oh, I wonder if what this is actually doing is it's not splitting off wavelengths, but it's duplicating the signals, splitting it up into turning one input into two outputs. Kind of wonder how these little metal tubes work. Kind of neat. I don't know if there's like a splice inside of there or something. Looks like they're not held in very well, so I can just pry it out. Something rattling inside. Did a yank on it. Oh. Just a bunch of goop in there. Somebody probably put in a lot of effort making sure this was done right and works. Just kind of curious here. Maybe. Oh, there we go. So it's just normal terminated fiber cable. No, these are just couplers, it looks like. No, those won't come out very easily, it looks like. Oh. Oh, there's locking tabs like this on, I think, both sides. Nope. Not motivated enough to get that out. No reason to. But, yeah, no, I don't really understand what the point of this is. But apparently it takes an input and splits it into two outputs. So, kind of weird. But at least now I know what's inside. So, hopefully that's interesting, and thanks for watching.